All right, our project is called Smartpill, and what this is it's a sort of full system that will essentially help patients keep track of their medications and also give sort of a view to the caregivers about medication adherence for their patients. So I guess our base project was this board right here, and this is essentially what a patient would affix to the top of their pill bottle. Right now it's a bit bigger than a pill bottle is, so we're kind of just going more with the concept in this demo. But essentially what it is it's a way that we can kind of make it transparent whenever patients take their meds to have it alert their first their phone and then a server so that their caregiver can kind of track their adherence and they can track it themselves. So really quick, I'm just going to simulate a notification that says they need to take their pill. So when it's actually time, this green light's going to light up that'll actually shine through the pill enclosure or the pill bottle enclosure and tell them that they have to take their meds. So when that happens, we're just going to simulate it with a button press, but essentially we would have the patient take their medication, and this system would actually know it. And so when they do that, this green light goes off, and then it goes over and alerts the Android application that the medication was taken. So it does this through taking a time from our real-time clock module and then writing it to a Bluetooth characteristic. So we're actually communicating between these two with Bluetooth Low Energy. So then in the Android application, the patient can see that all the times that they have to take their medication, as well as the times that they've already taken it, which can be updated with this. They can also go in and actually check these off manually if they want to. If, for instance, they took it by accident or they didn't actually take the pill, but it still triggered one on the device. So now that this is taken, we can actually go into our server application, which keeps track of everything, and notice the change here. So this is the sort of the day view of when he has to take his medication. So we're just going to refresh this really quick, and now you can see that it was actually taken right here. So right now we're in sort of the caregiver view for this patient. His name is Bob. If we want, we can go back to our dashboard here. So we're at the caregiver dashboard, which shows both this patient and all the other patients that we have. Additionally, it can show their adherence to medications. Like we can see that he's missed all 6 in the last 24 hours, as well as his adherence over sort of the lifetime of the prescription. Additionally, if we want, we can add more prescriptions here, or we can add more patients if there are other patients that you want to add. And then the other view I had, if you just click on these views right here, it can get back to it and just shows exactly when each thing was taken. So right now we're actually storing all of this in a SQLite 3 database, and the way that it goes from the Android application, which actually gets the taken signals to our server here, is through a REST API, essentially just sending URLs and JSON objects who communicate with it. So hopefully this way it gives a better insight both to caregivers and to patients as to how well they're adhering to their medications. All right, thanks for watching.